The 6M house is situated on a spacious plot near a lake, where the setting sun reflects and blends with the sounds of nature. Features that help create sensations within an architecture that adapts to its surroundings. The first element perceived upon arrival is the enclosure barrier, which is not a wall, but an emerald green hill that ensures privacy for the patio. This vegetation, which separates the house from the street, extends into the private area, the garden, and the gallery with large openings, becoming a defining feature of the main facade. The two elements that compose the ensemble are the carport clad in dark iron and the main volume of the house in andesite stone. An entrance with an iron gate leads to an exterior hall over a crystal-clear lagoon, creating a sense of discovery upon entering the house. With its sinuous lines, the lagoon breaks the orthogonality of the volumes that shape the residence. Two blocks of different heights, rhythmically connected by a horizontal line marked by stone and iron facades. All spaces are developed on the ground floor, except for the service area, which is located on the upper level and discreetly integrated into the volume to maintain the horizontality of the facades. The house was positioned on the west side of the plot to avoid the afternoon sun, keep the interiors cool, and create a large side patio. Natural stone, iron, concrete, and glass are the sober and noble materials that define the house. At the heart of the house are the kitchen, dining room, and TV room, all overlooking the gardens. This space serves as the distribution axis for the three areas of the house: the service area, the bedroom wing with its living room, and the social area. All sections are connected and offer a continuous visual experience through the large side patio. Here, nature can be observed through glass walls, understood as part of a whole. The architecture, with its pure lines, enhances the volumetry of the house, clearly distinguishing all elements and freeing the interior space. The goal was to simplify as much as possible to fully appreciate the beauty of the architecture and its relationship with the landscape. Both indoor and outdoor spaces provide relaxing areas for social interaction, strategically positioned to take advantage of the wind and sunlight. In the late afternoon, the house transforms as the sun's rays pass diagonally through the orange curtains and the windows of the social area.